So now let's talk about how to make degrees that we paid for truly count. I think you really have to get creative. Like, it's not just about the job that you can get when you graduate. It's about what you learn and the experiences that you learn from that degree and from that process of earning that degree, and then how you decide to say, you know what, I'm gonna take the skills that I learned in school or whatever it is that I learned in school, and I'm gonna take whatever it is that I know for myself that I've experienced throughout my life, and I'm gonna put it all together and I'm gonna make it my own. And I think that that is truly the most important thing about any degree. And that goes for anyone who is going into college. You got to know how to make it work, okay? It's just really simple. Even, it doesn't matter what kind of degree you get. It doesn't matter if you get an engineering degree. It doesn't matter if you get a graphic design degree. Learn how to make that degree work for you instead of letting that degree work you, okay? Because that could definitely be an issue long term. You're gonna get out of college and you're gonna literally, I think we all kind of go through this. It's almost like buyer's remorse when you get out of college. Like, I just bought this degree, bruh. What? You get out of college and you feel like you just spent all of that money, and you say to yourself, why did I spend all of that money? Why did I do this? At the end of the day, you can still use it to your advantage, and you can still implement key strategies and key things in your life in order to get your money back or your money's worth from that experience. And it really is just about being resourceful, being creative, using more than just the skills that you learn in school. It's about using the skills that you already have. You have skills, you have your own talents, you have your own abilities that degree did not give you. So use both of them in conjunction with each other and watch it give back to you, baby. Okay? Watch it give back to you, period. There are ways to maneuver around it. Do your research, look for other ways, alternative ways, look for other things to do, and see what works for you. If you're new here, don't forget to consider subscribing and like this video and comment below if you find value in this video. All right, y'all. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.